Lesson 16.3, Law of Sines and Area of a Triangle. In this lesson, we will find the area of a triangle given the SAS, or side angle side, information. What did the triangle say to the circle? You're pointless. Alright, general triangle, the labeling information, the way we label the sides of the triangle ABC, angles are always capitalized. So you'll look at the three angles, it's capital A, capital B, capital C. The sides are always lowercase letters labeled with the same letter as across from the angle. What I mean by that is, here's my angle. If we go across from it, there's the side. Here's my angle. Across from it is side B. And so on and so forth, right? Same thing with the C. So that's how we label our triangles. So the area of a triangle formula is A is equal to 1/2 A times B times the sine of C. So you may know the formula to be 1/2 base times height, but if we don't have a clear base and height on this, we really can't find the area. So instead, as long as we're given angles and sides, we can find the area of the triangle. So let's go ahead and see how to do this. So here we're going to find the area of the triangle given the SAS information. I suggest when you look at these, you draw them out. So it says in triangle XYZ, side Z is 6.3 inches, side X is 5.7 inches, and angle Y is 105 degrees. Find the area of triangle XYZ to the nearest tenth of a square inch. So let's just quickly do a sketch of this. We'll say this is Z. So this is 6.3. We will say that this is X over here. So this is 5.7. And they gave us angle Y, which will end up lining up between Z and X. We know this because across from Z will be angle Z, across from X will be angle X, which means between the two is angle Y, and angle Y is 105. And this is where we have our side angle in between and then the other side. So this means that we can use the area formula. So the area of this is 1/2 times 5.7 times 6 sine. And then at this point, it's literally just calculator work. So you're going to put it in the calculator just like it is. Make sure your calculator is in degrees because they gave you degrees. And when you do, you're going to get 17.3. All right, what I'd like you to do now is look at number 2, try it on your own, and then click continue when you're done. Okay, so hopefully you drew out yourself a little triangle so you can see that it's side angle side, right? This is S, this is A, this is S, side angle side. You plug stuff in, half of 4 is 2. Sine of 30 is a half as well, so half of 2 is 1, and 5 times 1 is 5 centimeters. Although again, it's just calculator work. You can plug it straight into your calculator and get an answer. This is centimeters squared. All right, and with that, your first set of notes for 6.3 is done.